Hello and welcome to your favorite YouTube channel where you learn about legal education and legal news. You're watching Law Minds, and in today's episode, we are learning about theories of causation of crimes. My dear friends, as we know, crime is the evil of the society. But we must also understand what are the reasons that crimes are caused. In this video, we look and learn about those theories which explain why crimes are caused or why crimes take place in the first place. Now, first we have the biological theory of crime. Now, as we know, our our entire socio-psychology biology plays a very important part in the socio-psychological realm that we live in. And our biology and our biological predispositions, as we call it, they play a very important role in determining our behavior and actions. Genetic predisposition is called when you have such genetic factors as inherited traits and neurological abnormalities which contribute to criminal behavior. Brain chemistry explains that there are certain imbalances in the neurotransmitters and hormonal irregularities which result in impulsive and aggressive behavior. Basically, when the functioning of your brain is not the way it is supposed to be, it is abnormal, then it is a biological cause of crime. Also, very important, my dear friends, environmental influence. It includes those factors like prenatal exposure, malnutrition, and substance abuse can impact brain development and contribute to criminal tendencies. Right? A person is made of the surrounding around that person. Right? And when you live in an environment which does not give you sufficient growth, which does not give you sufficient opportunities to enhance and improve yourself, these people are at a risk of developing criminal tendencies. Next is the psychological theories of crime. Psychology, as we know, is the field of study which deals with the functioning of the brain. Now, one of the theories say that frustration and aggression hypothesis. This theory says that frustration, when a person carries frustration within themselves, that will lead to aggression, and that aggression will later manifest into criminal behavior. Secondly, behavior conditioning is those environmental stimuli and reinforcement mechanisms of those environmental stimuli which shape your behaviors, and this may hone your criminal actions. Lastly, mental health disorders. These are those psychological conditions such as personality disorders and psychopathy are linked to criminal conduct. Right? When you cannot have a control over your mind, over the way your mind demands your body to behave, you are at a risk of committing crime. A very important feature here, dear friends, sociological theory of crime causation. One such theory is social disorganization theory. This theory suggests that crime is more prevalent in areas with weakened social structures and communities, where there is imbalance or there are conflicts or conflict of interests within a community. When a group of people live together and the social structures are weak, they do not rely on each other, they do not trust each other. There is no strong leadership in that group. It will be a disorganized society, and that will lead to the person living in the society to commit crime. Secondly, strain theory. It argues that individuals engage in criminal activities when they cannot achieve socially approved goals by legitimate means. After all, humans have to live up to the social standards. But when they cannot do so, they will take the forbidden path, that is crime, to do what they could have done legitimately, but they did not do that. Third, subcultural theory. It examines how subcultures within a society may develop norms, values, and attitudes that endorse criminal behavior. In a society where people are taught to say, for example, it is not a crime, but say, for example, over drinking, right? In a society, there are subcultures where over drinking is very normalized and very enhanced. You understand it? In those societies, over drinking would be very common thing. Now, same way, if committing a crime is sort of very amplified in their society, it will also lead to commission. It will also lead to person of that society committing a crime. Now, integrated theories of crime causation are first biosocial perspective. It combines biological and social factors to explain criminal behavior, emphasizing gene environment interaction. Genes are your natural build, environment is your nurturing. Second, social learning theory. This theory suggests that individuals can learn criminal behaviors through association, reinforcement, and modeling. Very self explanatory. Third, control balance theory. It emphasizes that interconnectedness of internal and external controls in influencing the likelihood of criminal conduct. Again, very self explanatory. I hope all of you enjoyed and learned very important lesson through this video, and we at Law Minds cannot wait to see you again. So hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel, and we hope all of you have a good time. Thank you so much.